Hi everyone and welcome to Otherships Workplace Scheduler. I'm really proud to be able to show you around and how you can connect with others in seconds. So here you're able to see my default schedule. How do I set that? Well, I come over here to my profile and jump into my schedule, and as you can see I'm able to set multiple locations over the day, set it as a public or private status, and connect this with either my Google or Outlook calendar. Once I have my schedule, I'm able to quickly edit my schedule so I can set custom locations from my default, and I can say I'm either in the office, home, any other location findable on Google Maps, or even not working, with the ability to feed your HR systems. In the advanced scheduler, I'm then able to again set multiple locations over the day, or I can add others who may be from my team or organization where I want to add them to the invite to work with me for the day, so it updates directly into their schedule. Some of the other capabilities we have, able to invite, you're able to share your schedule, an invite being saying, hey, do you want to come join me, with a quick button to click join, and a share schedule saying, hey, I'm just showing you where my working week is, even something you might be able to want to share with your partner or outside of your organization. We have quick filters, so you can filter for people who may be open for collaboration or other open for statuses across teams, groups, offices, interests, and even by location, seeing a radius away from that location and a quick ability to join others. How do you join someone? Well, Jacob here, who I've got favorited, I can just click on the office day and say I want to join, and that's going to update my schedule. So I've joined Jacob for the day, as well as sending Jacob a notification. We have people, so a quick way to search for other people across an organization or the Othership community, depending on your setup, and the ability to look for people by interest bubbles, so you can quickly add them to your profile and be able to spend time with one another. In terms of groups, you're able to create cross-functional groups, so you may have a mental health group or a special interest group, and then people can get notifications when the group are working from near them or in the office, as well as the ability to quickly search and filter where people within that group are. In a similar fashion, because it's all about collaboration, you're able to create events, editing your event information, including start and end time, putting hybrid events with online and real life locations, and specifying who you want to promote them to across groups, interests, buildings, teams in your organizations. You can also opt in to add your own floor plan, so if you have a large office and wayfinding is critical, adding a floor plan can be helpful for you. When you're searching from the planner page, in this case if I join Jacob, it's going to take me to the floor plan and show me where Jacob's sitting so I can book the nearest desk. Within the desk we show the available amenities, and the same for the meeting rooms. So you can see how your meeting room looks, making sure you always have the right amenities for you and an ability to search and filter for them across the map. We're also enabling visitor management. You can add in a device, so you can have devices for your meeting rooms or a kiosk to check in people into your building, as well as having it all manageable just by mobile phone or desktop if you prefer to have a deviceless facility. When adding new visitors, you can specify the purpose of those visits. That will allow you to send pre-populated or pre-prepared documentation that may be for car parking details, NDAs, interviews, submitting passports, all this sort of information. Of course, we provide full analytics of what's happening across your organization, down to the level of the detail of what type of desks and amenities are being booked, meeting room sizes, meeting room names, so that you can plan for the best for your organization, as well as collecting workplace feedback so your facilities team can know if you need to replace a monitor or plug or some other problem in the building. The last thing I'll show you is settings, so you can set up your own organization here, setting whether you want to be public or private to see other small businesses or not, as well as adding buildings, floors, floor plans, members, and custom roles and permissions, as well as the ability to just send an announcement in case you have a floor down or want to announce someone's birthday last minute. People can get allocated to teams, with all this integrating to Microsoft's toolset and Azure's Active Directory, as well as SAML and single sign-on. Thank you so much.